Hey, Julia?
Oh, it's okay.
You look even better than in your profile.
It's Julie, actually.
Right, hey. I'm so glad you can make it to my gig tonight.
Yeah, me too. Do you come here often? This place is cute.
Cute. Yeah, it's kind of my spot. I wouldn't call it cute, though. A lot of really talented people come here to work on their craft. Have you ever dated an artist before?
I've dated guys who make art, yeah.
Well, like a true poet?
I wouldn't say.
You know, a lot of guys out there, they don't really know what real art is. It takes soul, life experience. Unlike those other hacks, I like it raw, gritty.
So are you an English major or something?
I'm more of a student of life.
You did go to college, though, right?
College kills artists. Anyway, I've been working on this piece for tonight, and I think you're gonna love it.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Here.
Welcome to Cafe Encore. It's wonderful seeing so many familiar faces. Kicking us off tonight, some of you might know him, it's Shadow.
I'm sorry for what you're about to witness.
Hey guys. Tonight's piece is dedicated to a very special girl that I brought with me. Julia. I've been working on this new piece just for you. I hope you like it, babe. When I swiped right on your face, I knew you were the one. You shine brighter than the shining sun. Julia, oh Julia. I've climbed the highest hills and ventured long and far just to find you, dear Julia, sitting at this bar. The embers of your eyes are burning like a fire. I could have the whole world, but it is you that I desire. My pockets are lined with gold and silver, but my heart pumps with blood. Long nights spent in empty hotel rooms. Oh, Julia? Oh, Julia? Will you take my hand and follow me around the world as we tour with my band? For I will cherish your loving gaze as long as I still stand.
Ass!
So, did you love it?
It was, wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know, it can be a lot to take in. But I meant every word of it, from the depths of my soul.
I could tell you were really, passionate about that.
Yeah, while I was watching you watch me up there, I was struck with the inspiration for another impromptu piece.
More poetry?
As soon as we met face to face, my pulse picked up the pace. Your soft curves entice the pervs. With this rising in my jeans, we both know what this means. Your blonde hair and sultry eyes. In my bedroom, I will hear your cries. Not cries, just moans. As we bone. Get into my bed. Will you give me head? Let me climb your mountains, swim through your river. Oh, baby Julia, please. Come hither.
You disgusting pig. Did you really think that would work? God, I finally gave this sensitive artsy guy a chance, and this is what I get. What were you thinking? What was I thinking? Fuck, no.
Oh! Woe is me! She has stung me like a bee! My heart is caged! It can no longer be free! No! Why, God, why?
There you go. Look at me. There's my guy.
You lonely? Crazy, right? Can't believe you had to see that. Sorry. That's my band, by the way. I don't know if you ever heard us play. We're pretty fucking. It's cucumber infused. It's nice.